If you like margaritas and old fashions, you're going to love Mezcal Margaritas. Here we're making a Mezcal Margarita served up. This means it's served on a coupe without any ice. The flavors won't dilute with time, and it's a good way to dress up a margarita. Let's start by chilling our coupes. This will help the cocktail stay cold longer. Just add ice and set aside. On this occasion, I was making 2 cocktails for date night, but I'll show the ingredient measurements for 1 serving. Like with anything in life, always use quality ingredients. Skip the margarita mix, or some good karma points, and use the bounty nature provides. Unlike with what you're seeing, don't use a knife, use a proper juicer. I'm using a knife because I had a little mishap. Dose 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Next, half an ounce of light agave nectar. Don't use raw agave because it will overpower the other ingredients. Get as much syrup out as you can, but inevitably some will stick to the jigger. Finally, add 2 ounces of Maguey Vida Mezcal. It's a quality mezcal that's affordable, widely available, and perfect for both sipping and making cocktails. Now for the rim. In a small dish, pour some tahini. Toss the ice out of the coupes. Grab a lime half and rub it against the rim of your glass. Then just gently coat it with the tahini. Add ice to your tin, shake, and get moving. Now strain. I strongly believe that when drinking cocktails, they should be the main event, not a side to a really good dish. At least that's where I stand personally. My favorite thing to eat with cocktails is really good canned seafood. We're not talking about the $3 cans you'll find at any grocery store. We're talking about $10 to $15 cans. It's very high quality seafood that only gets better when it's canned with its marinade or its own juices. If you like seafood, trust me, it's worth every single bite. It's an affordable way to treat yourself. As they say, it's an affordable luxury. Until next time.